Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chairman jong Rajya Sabha ujak dip dhankar hakas ngi thok dieng ulapan bena hapo yeng dorbar ka Rajya Sabha balayo kurup ya kasong pisa ke badan shispa tali kilut sanspa tingka naka seat number arspa arpuar ke Shong do Abhishek Manu Singvi ubami khmat ya ke Telangana naka seng Congress ubadiru unong ya sait an barang ba karkum ke jingong udhankar ya kita pisa lalap hakas ngi palei hakapor bajule ya ke jingpet benya ke man kasngi hadien balakut ke jingalang habakran hapo yeng dorbar udhankar ulaong hagajing khandra baman kasngi ke yeng dorbar hadien balakut ke dorbar hanin kasngi layok ban kurup ya ke we ke song pisa de kinong pahara na ke seat number arspa arpuar ya kani ka kamla pentep shanga bat ngala hukum ban pha ka jing toket nak benta kani bar ka jing toket kadang ya menta udhankar ulaong ba empat la ban pentik napat lagi ni ki pisa ki de ki bathok ni ki bashisha ha ka bede bakani u Abhishek Singvi ula kentan dak bakam ba umtep AA ya ketika jingja habakran hakaran san X u Singvi ula penshai dak baong ngasngau lingo shibun wat ban yo sngo shapang jongka ngampat ju asngau ya bakum kata ngalapoi hayeng dorbar hanin kasngi hakapor khat ar baje san phonyo minit hakapor minsngi ka dorbar kalakut hakapor shibaje janmiet nadu kapor shibaje hadu shibaje steng janmiet ngashong bat u Ayodhya Prasad hakakantin bat ngalaya bam jalang hakapor shibiji steng janmiet ngalami na parliament kumta haba khenya ka jingdon jonga ka yeng dorbar hanin kasngi kalong tang lai minute bat ka jingdon jonga ka kantin kalong lai phau minute usingvi ulapan pa ba usham ba kalong ka ba phla bawat hakum kini ki madru lapan mi ya ka politik
Lok Sabha. Honorable members, I hereby inform that during the routine anti-sabotage check of the chamber after the adjournment of the House yesterday, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222 presently allotted to Sri Abhishek Manu Singvi, elected from the state of Telangana for the term 2024 to 2026. The matter was brought to my notice and I felt it expedient as per practice and ordainment to ensure that investigation takes place in accordance with law, and the same is underway. Honorable members, honorable members, nothing is going on record. Nothing is going on record. Honorable members, one second. Take your seat. Honorable members, it was my duty and I am obliged to inform the House. And information is imparted for a very simple reason. that this is a routine anti-sabotage check which takes place. When it was brought to my notice, I thought someone would come to reclaim it. Since nothing happened since this morning, we are, number one, I am not aware. You can't make out from the look currency notes whether they are fake or not. Apparently, denomination is 500 rupees. Word appears to be physically of 100 notes. But all these are subject to serious investigation. And I'm sure no one should be opposed to an investigation, because this House, even otherwise, has to send a signal. We are increasingly getting into formal economy. Does it indicate, Honorable Finance Minister, state of economy that people can afford to forget? On this issue, sir. Sir, I'll request you to confine to this issue.
Issue.
Please.
Ready. I am quite astonished to even hear about it about 5 minutes ago. I never heard of it. I reached the inside of the house yesterday at 12:57 p.m. In the afternoon. The house rose at 1 p.m., 3 or 4 minutes after I entered the house. From 1 to 1:30 I sat with Mr. Ayodhya Prasad in the canteen in Sangam and had lunch. At 1:30 I left Parliament. So my total stay in the house yesterday was 3 minutes and my stay in the canteen was 30 minutes. I find it bizarre that even on such issues, politics is raised. Of course, there must be an inquiry as to how people can come and put anything anywhere in any seat. It means that each of us must have a seat where the seat itself can be locked and the key can be carried home by the Member of Parliament. Because everybody can then do things on the seat and make allegations about this. If it was not tragic and serious, it would be comic. I think everybody should cooperate in getting to the bottom of this. And if there is a failing in the security agencies, that must also be completely exposed. दोस्तों, मुझे